today we are going to do something different in diary writing. Okay, we are not going to write, we're going to talk. All right, leave your books aside, leave your pens aside, all pencils aside. Now, last week in our diary writing class, we wrote about one interesting topic. Who can tell me what it was?
Ma'am, how our parents advise us?
When your parents advise you.
How do I feel when my parents? Correct. How do you feel when your parents advise you? You all wrote quite interesting things. It was nice to read all of that. Quite enlightening. Okay. Then for homework, I asked you to write, how do you want your parents to advise you? Not everybody submitted it, but that's okay. Submitted by today at least. The topic was how do you want your parents to advise you? Okay, that was the topic. Now there are quite a few things that you children have written. Okay, so I'm going to discuss it one by one. All right, I'm going to start with Pranav. Pranav, how would you like your parents to advise you? Pranav, don't look into the book. Leave the book aside. I said no touching books right now. We don't want books in this class today. So Pranav, how would you like your parents to advise you?
Ma'am, for studying.
The question is, how do you want your parents to advise you? तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? कैसे तुम्हारे parents तुमको advice दें? What is your suggestion on that? You have written a diary on how do you feel when your parents advise you. Now I want you to tell me how would you prefer that they advise you? वो तुम्हें कैसे advise करेंगे तो तुम्हें अच्छा लगेगा? That's
I
what
prefer that. Ma'am, I prefer that. Ma'am, they help me. Ma'am, they help me in all things.
They help you in all things. Okay. आगे बोलो. That's the only thing. That's the only thing you want when it comes to what your parents should advise you about. And how, I mean, how do you want them to advise you?
Ma'am.
Okay, you don't want to say anything else? You don't have anything else to say?
No.
Okay, fine. I'll go to Ranveer. Okay. So Ranveer, I read about how do you feel when your parents advise you. Now, how do you think you want them to advise you?
Man, I want them to advise me nicely and slowly, because even if they have to advise me 100 or 1,000 times, I don't like them when they shout at me. They're like, don't do this. I've told you not to do this now. But I somehow have the feeling that I don't want them to advise me like that.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. So you're just saying that you don't want them to shout at you when they're advising you. Okay. But if they've already told that to you many times, then how do you think they should approach it?
Mom, just keep telling it nicely, but I somehow have a feeling that not them to shout.
Okay. All right. Tanishka, I'm going to come to you now. Tanishka, you had written last week about how do you feel when your parents advise you. So my question to you now is, how do you want them to advise you?
What they are advising right, because of that I don't want to advise them with my way, but I have some points like that. They should send me out to play sometime, and when I study, I want my parents to help my sister. And I say them just means explain me this answer. She says no. My mother and father also tells her, but she don't. Just my advice is this.
Okay, so this was to do with your sister. I'm asking, how would you want your parents to advise you? जब तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स तुम्हें किसी ना किसी बात पे तो एडवाइस देते हैं, राइट? तो तुम्हें क्या चाहिए कि वो तुम्हें कैसे एडवाइस करें?
They can help me in study.
Mm-hmm.
And when I am getting bored, they can play with me.
Tanishka, it's not about what they should do for you. It's about how do you want them to advise you. तुम्हें वो लोग तुम कुछ गलत करो, तुम्हें सुधारते हैं. So how do you want them to go about that?
They advise me it's right, but I don't have any advice then.
You don't have anything.
I have to think more.
Yeah, you think more and
Need something.
Vihan, where are you? It was your turn. Yes, Vihan. Were you on a break?
No.
Then why aren't you at your seat?
Mama, I didn't buy everything by watching match, by playing phone, by watching, by going to see mom, by playing video games, Angry Birds
Vihan.
video.
Vihan, what are you talking? What are you talking about?
Want your parents to advise you.
Okay, now you have to be a little clear when you're talking, okay? So I can understand what you're saying. Say it slowly and clearly. Okay, go.
Okay.
How do you want your parents to advise you?
By having fun, by watching match, by playing phone, by watching TV, by going to cinema, by playing video games, Angry videos, playing downstairs, mom taking care of me, daddy making food.
Vihan, my question is, how do you want them to advise you when you make a mistake and they are looking to advise you around that? How do you want them to do that for you?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, fine. That's absolutely all right. Subhan, I'm going to come with that question to you now. Last week, you had written quite a few things about how do you feel when your parents advise you. Now, you tell, how would you like them to advise you?
They should advise me quietly, steadily, and in peace voice. No voice like shouting like this.
The voice, okay.
And always they always say to improve me, and so I am doing something. Now I am improving my writing also, so they are now sometimes only advising me.
How do you want them to advise you? I think I heard you say that without shouting, right? That's something where you said that, right? Okay. Something else that you said which I couldn't catch because your voice was breaking up. What did you say?
Ma'am, yesterday when I was
okay, Subhan, first thing, stop moving like this and talking. You sit properly and talk, so then the voice breakage will not be so bad. Just sit and talk. ऐसे ऐसे हिलते मत रहो. एकदम बैठो और अब बात करो. बोलो, let me figure it out now.
Ma'am, my parents, I want them to not shout, and they should advise me quietly and not by shouting, and they are not shouting at me while advising, but I want them to not shout while advising.
Okay. So on that note, all of you all are saying, I don't want our parents to shout. I don't want our parents to shout. That's what everyone is saying, right? Okay. So then, Subhan, I will open the question first to you. If they have already told something to you about, say, 3-4 times and you haven't followed it, how should they deal with it the 5th or the 6th time? You tell me. I will come around with this question to each and everyone. Ranveer, you're wasting ink on your pen. Yes, Subhan. So if they have already told you something, given you advice around something, say advice on to be prepared well for your exams, or on how to maintain hygiene for yourself, or how to take care of things around in the house, they've already told you about that. Okay. They've already advised you on how it should be done, but you have still not done that. Now, what do you think they should do? Because they feel that they've already said that to you 4-5 times in the past, and you still don't seem to care or remember. Now what do you think they should do?
Ma'am, they should shout.
Then they should shout. So isn't that what they're doing then?
Yes.
So how do you feel about that? Is that okay? Because इतनी बार बोलने के बाद भी तुम वही गलती कर रहे हो, तो पेरेंट्स को थोड़ा तो आवाज ऊंचा करना पड़ेगा ना. बिकॉज शायद से उनको लगता है ये बात इसके कान के अंदर घुसा नहीं, चलो थोड़ा ऊंचा बोलते हैं, शायद फिर से कान में घुसेगा. व्हाट डू यू से? सो नाउ व्हाट टू डू? अब क्या करें?
I will say I will do this one thing.
So now when they raise their voice, then you will say, oh, okay, I remember. अब से मैं ये repeat नहीं करूँगा. Is that how it is?
ये रियल लाइफ में नहीं है, ये रियल लाइफ में ये सब नहीं करता.
रियल लाइफ में क्या क्या क्या?
रियल लाइफ में ऐसा नहीं किया है मैंने, जो मत समझ लेना.
रियल लाइफ में क्या नहीं किया है बताओ?
ये तीनों चीजें.
क्या तीनों?
एग्जाम की तैयारी की है.
I just gave an example. No. Subhan, understand. I just gave an example, okay? But I'm saying I don't know what's happening in your house. Do I know what happens in your house? No. So I just gave you some examples. Suppose it was about preparing for your exams, or suppose it was about your taking care of things. I just gave you examples. That may not be happening in your house. But if your parents have to raise voice on you, which you said has happened, then it means they must have already advised you on that. That's what typically any parent would do. पहले एक बार, फिर 2 बार, फिर 3 बार एडवाइस देते हैं. फिर जब चौथी बार समझ में नहीं आता है, तब तो भाई अब आवाज ऊंचा करना पड़ेगा. So that is what we are discussing. It is not discussing कि तुमने एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपेयर किया कि नहीं. वो पॉइंट ही नहीं है. The point that you are making is they should not shout at me and advise. But I am asking you, if they have already advised you 4-5 times not to do something or to do something and you've still not done it, then what should they do?
Raise their voice.
So that is what they are doing. They are raising their voice, but then now you are saying that they should not do that.
Ma'am, when I have done that 5th, 6th time.
So you mean to say every time your parents must keep patience for that many times? Interesting. Now I'm going to move this question to Ranveer. Ranveer, what do you have to say about this? When do you think? 1 minute. When do you think that parents can start raising their voice, or even if you make the same mistake like 20-30 times, they should keep patience and keep on saying, please beta mat karo, please beta aise karo. What do you have to say about that?
I am confusing you now.
I'm confusing you. That's nice.
जैसे शार्क टैंक में करते हैं ना वो लोग
I'll tell you what, it is confusing for parents also. Parents are also parents for the first time only. No, it's confusing for them also. So let's talk. Come on, let's talk.
I'll say talk and sort it out.
Talk and sort it out. My God, बहुत बड़ी बात बोली तुमने. Talk and sort it out. Interesting. Now you tell me, I'll ask you the same question that I asked Subhan. Okay? That if parents have already suggested or advised or told you something 5-6 times पहले भी, पर तब भी तुम उसी गलती को रिपीट करते हो, या फिर तब भी तुम वही काम जो करने के लिए कहा है वो नहीं करते हो, अब पेरेंट्स ने क्या करना चाहिए?
Ma'am, raise their voice little.
अच्छा, so
Raise their voice
ऐसा
little.
कोई लिटिल मेजर करने का कोई यूनिट मेजरमेंट है क्या कि लाइक सो मेनी मिलीमीटर्स ही तुम उसको रेज कर सकते हो?
Blood pressure and temperature.
Blood pressure and temperature, oh my God, what are you talking? So what is this थोड़ा सा ही आवाज रेज करो, what is the meaning of that?
Ma'am, जब softly बोलते 10% रहता है, जब बहुत जोर से बोल देते 20% हो जाता है.
अच्छा, तो वो कैसे उसको फिगर आउट करे कि इतना सा ही बोल सकते हो भाई, इसके आगे मत बोलना, बच्चे का कान फट जाएगा? वो कौन सा लेवल है, कुछ है क्या उसका ऐसा कुछ लेवल?
When they say like, okay, don't do this. That time it is 10%. When they say, don't do that, that is 20% for me.
But they've already told that to you earlier, no? Okay, now you keep your answer with you. Now I'm going to go to Tanishka. Tanishka, you tell me, तुम्हारे वहां पे भी ऐसे सिचुएशन होता होगा की पापा या मम्मी बोलते होंगे किती वेळ सांगितलंय का तुला, तू परत तशीच करतीये, तुला काही कळत नाहीये का? हाँ, so then how do you think it should happen? कैसे करना चाहिए? चलो everybody ध्यान से सुनो तनिष्का का.
I said that they can scold on me because when I do it wrong and it's my personality question, it's right.
Wow,
That this
my
would-
God, you guys are talking big things. Personality and all. Very good, very good. आगे बोलो. It's interesting.
Because of that, I am not means that I do it wrong. Because of that, they only shout on me. Otherwise, they don't shout on me. I do wrong or do some mistakes or say
That's
something.
when any parent will be upset, Tanishka. So parents को ऐसे दिन भर डांटते रहने का मतलब दूसरा काम नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं है. दिन भर डांटते रहने में कोई मजा नहीं आता है. The question is, how do you want them to advise you? So पहले तो सुभान ने बोला चिल्लाने का नहीं, धीरे बोलने का. फिर मैंने बोला 3 बार बोल दिया, 4 बार बोल दिया. अब कितनी बार धीरे बोलेंगे, क्योंकि अब तो पेरेंट्स को लगता है कि शायद सुना ही नहीं दे रहा है. तो बोला नहीं, 5th-6th टाइम को चिल्लाने का. अब हर बार इतना पेशेंस कैसे रख सकते हैं, है कि नहीं? तो तुम मुझे बताओ.
That they can scold after telling 3-4 times because we are doing some wrong thing. We don't know. We know that we are succeeding. We are successful, but they know that you are not succeeding.
Okay.
That's the problem.
That's the problem. किसके साइड से प्रॉब्लम है, तुम्हारे साइड से या पापा मम्मी के साइड से? तुम्हारे साइड से. Wait, my God. Okay. Vihan, I'm going to come to you with that question. 1 minute. Ranveer wants to say something. Yes, Ranveer, what do you want to say?
Ma'am, I wanted to say that what did she say in the first one? I couldn't hear her. First when she said something and you said, wow, you're talking very big things.
She said they are ultimately trying to correct our personality, no? They are trying to tell something for our own personality. So, you have to listen. Now, if we have done it so many times as a mistake, then they are going to shout. That's what she said. Okay, Vihan is not at his seat. I'll go to Pranav. Pranav, are you there? Pranav, are you in network? Oh. Pranav, can you hear me? Okay, Vihan is back. Okay. Pranav, you can hear me. So you tell me, Pranav, same question to you. How many times should parents wait? When do you think that now it is okay for them to raise their voice? तुम्हारे पापा मम्मी भी डांटते होंगे तुम्हें, right? आवाज ऊंचा करते होंगे. प्रणव, कितनी बार बोला है बाइक को हाथ मत लगाओ? बोला होगा ना ये बात तुमको?
Ma'am, not for bike, ma'am. Ma'am, for home things.
हाँ,
Ma'am, for bottle or that phone, mobile phone. Ma'am, they advised me for 3 times. Ma'am, they advised me for 3 times. That first time they tell that, please don't take phone. I will tell only on 3 times.
So you actually wait for them to complete those 3 times, क्या?
No, ma'am. On first time they told me that no. Ma'am, on second time I didn't take that thing.
अच्छा, मतलब तुमको डांटने का जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ता है. तुम्हारे पापा मम्मी को तुम पे आवाज ऊंचा करने का जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ता है.
Ma'am, if I didn't do wrong things, so ma'am, no.
Okay, so do you do things that they have told you not to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then what do they do?
Ma'am, they scold me.
They scold you. Oh, कितनी बार के बाद scolding आता है?
Ma'am, after 2 times.
अच्छा, after 2 times. Okay, and scold करना जरूरी क्यों बन जाता है? अच्छा, तुम्हें ठीक से सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है, इसलिए उनको आवाज ऊंचा करना पड़ता है क्या?
Ma'am, no, ma'am, if I am not keeping that thing, no. Ma'am, they tell directly 2 times. Keep the phone, ma'am. Then after they started scolding.
Oh, so you mean to say कि 2 बार बोलने के बाद भी तुम्हें समझ में नहीं आया?
Ma'am, no.
अब उनको आवाज ऊंचा करना पड़ा?
Ma'am, no. Ma'am, if I was in, I think so. I was in 5th standard. No. Ma'am, from that first time they had told me that keep the mobile phone. Ma'am, I didn't listen. Ma'am, I was playing. And then after second time, after 5 minutes, they tell me that keep the phone. And then after third time, they tell no, ma'am. Then they started scolding me. And then from that, I didn't take the phone. I take, but not for
फोन ला हाथ लावू नको, फटके देईन मी आता तुला, ऐसे कुछ बोला होगा ना?
Yes.
ऐसा क्यों होता है कि हमें डांटना पड़ता है तब चल के बच्चे मानते हैं? ऐसा क्यों होता है?
Because of our manners.
Manners. Okay, I'm going to go with that question to Subhan. Subhan, ऐसा क्यों होता है कि डांटना पड़ता है तब चल के बात सुनते हैं?
मैं प्रणव ने जो बोला था ना फोन का, वो मेरे साथ भी बहुत बार हुआ है.
बहुत बार. एक बड़ा कांड जो हुआ है वो तो हम सब जानते हैं, वो बात को तुम साइड में रखो. इस सवाल का जवाब दो कि ऐसा क्यों होता है कि डांटने पर ही बात सुना जाता है?
बच्चों को कुछ सुनाई नहीं देता एक बार डैडी मम्मी बोलते हैं तो उसके लिए उनको लगता है कि मजाक है.
अरे घर में केक आया है, यहाँ किसी को बताना मत. ये तो पापा मम्मी इतना विस्पर करके बोलते हैं एक दूसरे कान में, तब भी तो तुम लोगों को दूसरे रूम में सुनाई देता है. वो कैसे? तो मुझे नहीं लगता है कि तुम्हारे ईयर ड्रम्स में कोई प्रॉब्लम है. आई डोंट थिंक ईयर ड्रम्स में कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है. जो नहीं चाहिए वो सब फटाक से सुनाई देता है. आई डोंट थिंक ईयर ड्रम्स में प्रॉब्लम है. तो असली प्रॉब्लम किधर है? रणवीर वेट. It is Subhan's turn to talk. हाँ.
मैं तो बच्चों की तरफ से बोल रहा हूँ.
अरे बच्चों का रिप्रेजेंटेटिव आया है. बोलो भाई, युवा नेता, बोलो.
सब बच्चों को ना काम की चीज ही सुनाई देती है, बाकी सब चीजें जाने दो. एक कान में जाएगा, दूसरे कान से भेज दो.
कुछ ज्यादा ही कान साफ करते हो भाई तुम. इतना साफ है कि आर पार हो जाता है बात. हाँ. ये देखो, तनिष्का is giving thumbs up on that. I love this discussion. ये तो मजा आ रहा है, अब तो बहुत मजा आ रहा है. So सुभान मैं इस बात पे एक और सवाल पूछती हूँ तुमसे. ऐसा क्यों है कि जो पापा मम्मी को इम्पोर्टेंट लगता है वो बात तुम्हारे कान के आर पार निकल जाता है? वो तुम्हें इम्पोर्टेंट क्यों नहीं लगता है?
क्योंकि वो बच्चों को ज्यादातर चीजें डैडी मम्मी के ही सुनने रहते, चिल्लाते रहेंगे तो रहने दो.
ये अच्छी बात है, ये अच्छी बात
एक
है.
दिन हुआ था मेरे साथ.
सुभान ये अच्छी
एक दिन
बात
हुआ
है.
था ना.
हाँ, क्या हुआ था?
मैम एक दिन मेरे डैडी ने केक लाया था घर पे 12 बजे, और हम लोग को 9 बजे केक लाया था, तो हमको उन्होंने बोला कि कुछ काम की चीज है बैग में. तो जब भी वो केक काटने वाले थे कि मैं उठ गया.
ओके, तो ऐसा क्यों है कि जो पापा मम्मी को इम्पोर्टेंट लगता है वो बच्चों को इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं लगता है?
बच्चे लोग बहुत छोटे रहते तो उतना उतना नहीं समझता उनके.
अच्छा, ये छोटे का चलो प्रणव से पूछते हैं. प्रणव ये बोल रहा है कि बच्चे लोग बहुत छोटे होते हैं इसलिए समझ में नहीं आता है. कितने एज तक समझ में आने लगता है? छोटे कब तक रहते हैं बताओ जरा.
मैम टिल सेकंड फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड, सेकंड स्टैंडर्ड.
बट तुम लोग सब तो 6th में हो अभी. You all are in
Ma'am.
6th, so how can you call yourself छोटे बच्चे? My God, छोटे बच्चे. What, your papa mummy have to give you a bath or what? नहलाना पड़ता है तुम लोगों को? तो नहलाना पड़ता
Ma'am, for
बोलो
Ma'am,
प्रणव.
for our big parents or grandmother or grandfather, for that we are small only.
वो तो my dear, that age difference between your parents and you, no, forever will be the same. Okay? तो मैथमेटिक्स के हिसाब से तुम्हारा एज हमेशा ही स्मॉलर देन पापा मम्मी का एज ही रहने वाला
Ma'am,
है.
your screen is stopped.
Sorry, what's that?
Ma'am, your screen is stopped.
Okay, what I'm saying is that as per math, okay, your papa mummy's age is always going to be more than your age. So you're always going to be small for them. Okay? But when is that age when you will start thinking ki yes, what papa mummy is saying is right and I have to drill it into my head about what they are saying? सुभान बड़ा thumbs up
Ma'am,
सब करोगे कब से?
Ma'am, 6th or 7th.
अच्छा, तब तक हमको पेशेंस रखना पड़ेगा. Okay, I'm going to go to Ranveer and ask one question to him. Ranveer, answer this question to me. The same question that I asked Subhan. Subhan, look here and sit. That when is it that you guys will start thinking that what parents are saying is important?
Okay, so I wanted to include this in a fun way that you must have seen the movie Freaky Friday 19. It is in the 90s. You must have
Freaky
seen
Friday. Yes, I have watched that movie Freaky Friday. Yes. Okay, kids who have not watched the movie Freaky Friday, 1 minute, Ranveer. Kids, those who have not watched the movie Freaky Friday, in that what happens is कुछ तो magic गड़बड़ हो जाता है and the mother becomes the daughter and the daughter becomes the mother. Okay, तो daughter वो सब कुछ करने लगती है जो mother करती है और mother वो सब कुछ करने लगती है जो daughter करती है. So the body looks like the mother but the brain is of the daughter. And the other place the body looks like the daughter but brain mother ka hai. Okay, that's what happens. They switch places in their here. Yes, Ranveer, bolo.
तो क्या होता है उसमें देख उनका आत्मा इसमें चला जाता है, मम्मी का आत्मा डॉटर में आ जाता है, डॉटर का आत्मा मम्मी में चला जाता है. तो जब डॉटर स्कूल जाती है तो उसकी एक्चुअली डॉटर नहीं जा रही है स्कूल, उसकी मम्मी स्कूल जा रही है और उसकी डॉटर घर पे अपना काम कर रही है. तो क्या आई वांटेड टू से दैट आई विल आल्सो like to switch places like this and check that what happens actually, how much mehnat does mommy actually do. So that by doing that, I can understand that how I should take it ahead.
My God, that's really deep thinking. That's really deep thinking. You want to get into the shoes of your parents to actually know what is going on. Okay, Tanishka, I'm going to move this question to you now. So, Tanishka, what is your thought? What is your suggestion? You have heard everybody, you know the question, you've heard everybody's thought process. What is your thought now? Bapre, Tanishka is so already confused. She's raising her eyebrows already.
But which question should I take?
Whichever you want. Whichever you want.
Okay. I will give Subhan's question and Janvi's question same, that why we don't listen father parents when they when they say important thing, because we don't like study, and they say about study only, means like height, that in my house that's only height only, just jump, do exercise. And study it's okay, but height, that's only.
What height? I didn't understand what you're saying.
Means I want to grow my height.
You have to grow taller. That is why they're asking you to jump. So,
yes.
So what do you think is wrong in their advice?
There's nothing wrong in their advice.
Okay, so then what is the concern there? उसमें क्या problem है? What is the issue there?
Nothing. It's just my problem that I don't do it.
Okay.
I become lazy and do time pass in mobile and that all.
Oh my God. Interesting. Pranav is rolling his eyes. Does time pass and plays on the mobile, and Pranav's eyes are rolling out. My God, did she actually even say that? So, Subhan, you want to say something, is it? Okay, go on.
Ma'am, which Tanishka said, no, it is very correct.
What is correct?
She said the all children don't like this church.
Padhai karo, that is correct. Okay. पढ़ाई करो बोलने में क्या गलत है? क्या गलत है पढ़ाई करो बोलने में? या फिर हम ओके ऐसे बोलते हैं, खाना बनाओ, go into the kitchen, खाना बनाने को स्टार्ट करो, झाड़ू लगाओ, पोछा मारो, ये बोलने को लगते हैं. बुक्स को साइड में छोड़ो, क्या दिन भर बुक्स के साथ बैठे रहते हो, जाओ किचन में जाके खाना बनाओ, जाओ झाड़ू पोछा लगाओ. ऐसा बोले, ऐसा बोलना चाहिए. कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा ना, तुम यूं ही तो बैठ नहीं सकते हो ना, कुछ तो करते रहना पड़ेगा.
मुझको खाना बनाने का काम दिया तो मैं बना भी लूंगा.
ओके, तो दिन भर तुम हर रोज खाना बनाने को स्टार्ट कर सकते हो. 1 minute Vihan, 1 minute. Okay, you're raising a hand, Vihan. I'm coming to you. Wait.
Yes.
Okay. And पढ़ाई साइड में छोड़ के तुम खाना बनाने को शुरू करोगे?
नहीं, वो तो भी करूंगा.
अच्छा, okay. All right. Yes, Vihan, you are looking to say something.
Ma'am, just think, if I go with my friends like Tanishka and Pranav, and we will have vacation with them.
Okay, but we are talking about how do you feel when your parents advise you. That's what we are talking about.
Ma'am,
right?
I didn't watch Freaky Friday, but the movie is mom turns to daughter and daughter turns to mom.
Okay, cool, good. So kids, now I'm going to come back to the point that I am not saying that you are wrong or you're right. I am also not saying whether your parents are wrong or they are right. All I'm saying is parents love children the most. We agree that? Do we agree to that? Your parents love you the most. Subhan, yes or no?
I know it.
You know it. Amazing. Ranveer, yes or no? Arey, Ranveer again went off network. Tanishka, yes or no? Yes. Vihan, do you agree that your parents love you the most?
Yes.
Pranav, do you agree that your parents love you the most? Pranav? Okay, again we lost Pranav. All right. You all agree that parents love you the most, right? Parents के आगे और कोई तुमसे इतना प्यार नहीं करता है. Parents love you the most. Now, the reason why they might at times raise their voice is because it is out of concern. They are really worried. They are really worried that if you make that mistake, it might be extremely harmful. Okay? And harmful for whom? Harmful for whom? Harmful for you. If you have been told not to play on the phone, there is something important about that topic why they are saying you should not play on the phone. Phones are not meant for playing. Phones are meant for work. What did the phones do? Today, if your parents are able to sit at home and work, that is because all the work is come into this one single phone. No? It's become easy for us, no? 1 minute, Ranveer. Now, if the entire work can be shifted onto the phone, and if you're going to use it as a toy, गड़बड़ है ना? ये तो मेरा काम का चीज है, इसमें मैं दिन भर का काम करती हूँ. तुम इसको गेम समझ के खेलोगे और इसमें अगर कुछ भी गड़बड़ हुआ, you will obviously say नहीं नहीं नहीं, I will take care. Are you old enough to take care right now? No. That is not a question I'm asking you. I am telling you that you are still not old enough to take care of many things in life. That is why Papa, Mummy are always looking to be around you, not to keep on protecting you and keep on telling you different things, but they will always keep an eye on you just to make sure that you are safe. Because as children, you all are going to still continue to test and try some limits. They will let you go to the limit. But if that limit goes wrong, they will definitely be there to protect you. So their advice is not something to put you down, kids. When parents advise you, they are not looking to put you down. They love you extremely. But when they are advising you, it is only for you to remember, so you know where you draw the line. You know that it is important for you to take care of it now. You cannot get later. Ranveer, is something else more interesting? Okay. I know you must be thinking, "Arey, phir se teacher is also now giving advice." No, I am not giving you advice. I am no one to give you advice. In fact, I still learn so many things from you kids, you know. मैं आज भी तुम सबसे बहुत कुछ सीखती रहती हूँ. मैं सीखती हूँ तनिष्का से कि कैसे हमेशा स्माइल रखे फेस पे. तनिष्का का एक दिन में भी ना वो थोड़ा सा स्माइल नहीं रहता ना, मुझे लगता है तनिष्का को कुछ हो गया है. Because I really like that she can keep that smile on her face throughout the day. I like the confidence with which Ranveer and Pranav talk. I like the confidence with which Ranveer and Pranav talk, and I want to learn that from them. कि कुछ भी हो जाए, ये दोनों बहुत निडर लगते हैं, बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग लगते हैं. सुबान इतना क्रिएटिव है, मुझे उससे सीखना है कि वो कैसे हमेशा इतना क्रिएटिव रहता है. 1 मिनट प्रणव, 1 मिनट. मुझे हमेशा लगता है कि मैं तुम लोगों से कितना सीख रही हूँ. मुझे लगता है कि सुबान इतने यंग Okay, okay, I will send you the recording, don't worry. मैं हमेशा सोचती हूँ सुबान इतने यंग एज में किचन में जाके कैसे खाना बनाता है. He is taking so much care that he must keep the distance from fire and he has to do a good job of that cooking. You know, I have seen his cooking video. वो बहुत अच्छे से खाना बनाता है, मैंने देखा है. And that really is one learning for me. Vihan, I am really impressed how he can remember things. He can remember things amazingly. His memory power is superb. उसको कुछ भी सिखाओ ना, वो उसके दिमाग के अंदर घुस जाता है. He will not forget after that. I am learning from you guys every day. You all don't know that. We don't keep telling you that. Similarly, you all also must keep learning from your parents every day. You don't have to go and tell them that. But you must observe. देखो वो लोग क्या क्या करते हैं, उसको सीखो, उसको समझो, बहुत जरूरी है. उसके बाद तुम रियलाइज करोगे धीरे धीरे धीरे, when you start doing things the way they do, when you start showing to them that Papa, Mummy, I am going to do things, 1 minute Ranveer, I am going to do things the way you are doing it. Once they are convinced that they are sure they can take care of, you can take care of yourself, no? They don't have to come to advise you. हम सब क्यों सिखाते हैं बच्चों को, पेरेंट्स बच्चों को क्यों सिखाते हैं? So you can be independent. चलो चलो अपना काम संभालो और अपना निपट के चलो तुम, है कि नहीं? सुबान, रणवीर, तनिष्का, Pranav, Vihan, yes or no? Why do we keep teaching so many things to y'all? So y'all can do things on your own. छोटे थे तब नहलाते थे, आज भी नहलाते हैं क्या? No, because we taught you to take care of your hygiene. Now you'll do it yourself. छोटे थे तो प्लेट में डाल के खिलाते थे, अब करते हैं क्या? No, because you can do it on your own. Yes or no? Yes or no? So we teach things to y'all so you can take care of it on your own. The sooner you do it, the better for you. लेकिन जब भी कुछ भी करना रहता है ना, उसके कुछ रूल्स होते हैं और उस रूल्स के हिसाब से ही करना है. And if you don't learn those rules at home, you will go out and learn it. Somebody may not be as nice as your parents to teach you those rules. They might just say, करता है कि नहीं? Then you will not have a choice but to do it. उससे अच्छा है जब पेरेंट्स बोल रहे हैं अच्छे से सुन लो ना. एक बार में सुन लो, 2 बार में सुन लो, 5th, 6th, 7th टाइम तक रुकने की जरूरत नहीं पड़नी चाहिए सुबान, है कि नहीं? है कि नहीं? और रणवीर, हमेशा मुश्किल है कि तुम पेरेंट्स के शूज पहन के समझो कि उनको क्या करना है. Not always going to be possible. But a better possibility is that they are telling you and talking to you about their experience. Learn from that. Okay? That's more important. Yeah? Tanishka, you made a very valid point that parents want us to improve on our personality. That's absolutely right. We all want children to be very fine people when you grow up. Okay? But for that, do you see how many times parents have to say some things to you all? इतनी बार बोलने की जरूरत नहीं पड़नी चाहिए. All are very smart children, no? मैं मैथ एक टाइम पे पढ़ाती हूँ तो तुम लोगों को समझ में आ जाता है, तो पापा मम्मी कुछ भी एक बार में बोले तो क्यों नहीं समझ में आता है? You must think कि सुनाई नहीं देता है क्या? Something wrong with my eardrums or what? नहीं ना? तुम्हारे सुनने की शक्ति तो एकदम सही है ना? प्रणव, घर के बाहर में बुलेट में एक किक लगता है तो तुरंत तुम्हें पता चलता है ना कि बुलेट स्टार्ट हुआ है कि नहीं? तो बुलेट जो कम से कम 20 फीट दूर है, उसका एक किक लगता है तो तुम्हें पता चलता है. तो पापा मम्मी इतना पास में एक बार बोले तो क्यों नहीं सुनने में आता है? यस प्रणव, बोलो.
Ma'am, when my fathers come to bus stop, ma'am, from that the bullet sound came here till here.
I know. That's because your eardrums are absolutely fine. That's because you can hear everything perfectly fine. That's why
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
asking. That's why I'm asking. Why not listen to parents on certain advices that they give you once or twice? Maybe एक बार में तुम भूल गए, तो second time उन्होंने तुम्हें याद दिलाया, probably third time भी याद दिलाया. इसके आगे it is your responsibility. You cannot blame them for getting upset on you. Okay, so kids, coming back to our diary writing topic, last week's topic you wrote in class. Ranveer, see how many times you've been told in class not to fiddle with the phone. Are you able to stop yourself? And then you will say, कोई और बार एडवाइस करते रहो ना, एक 8-10 टाइम तो बोल दो, इतना तो पेशेंस रखो. नहीं हो सकता, क्योंकि 8-10 टाइम तक ना वो फोन सही नहीं रहेगा. हो सकता है 7th या 8th टाइम पे वो फोन बिगड़ गया ना, then that's it. That's it. Over. Story khatam. Right? या कहानी खत्म सुभान. Yes. खलास हो जाएगा. खलास. Yeah. So I want you all to understand that I know how you feel when your parents advise you. I now also know how you would like them to advise you. But now onwards, I want you all to understand your parents as well. You must understand your parents as well. You must be able to listen to them when they tell you once, twice, thrice. तुम लोग जब पेरेंट्स को कोई भी चीज एक बार बोलते हो, 1 minute Vihan, I'm coming to you Vihan, 1 minute. When you tell something to your parents once, they remember it. And they get it for you, right? You don't have to repeat to them. मला हा ड्रेस आवडला होता. एकदा सांगितलं कि they will remember. और जब भी वहां पे जाएंगे याद आएगा कि मेरे बच्चे ने बोला था और लेके आ जाएंगे. मुझे ना वो एक खिलौना अच्छा लगा था शॉप में. मैं मॉल में गया था ना, तो मुझे वो बहुत अच्छा लगा था. मुझे ना बर्गर बहुत अच्छा लगता है. तुम बस एक बार बोलो, पापा मम्मी वो हमेशा याद रखते हैं. It's your time to do that, no? है कि नहीं? इतना सही तो करना है. एक बार में सुनना है, या कम से कम 2 बार में तो सुनना है. इतना तो कर लो. Not so difficult. अपने जिद और लेजीनेस को हटा दो बस. Okay? अपने जिद और लेजीनेस को हटा दो. It is going to be very easy for you also to understand your parents. Okay? Yes, Vihan, you wanted to say something.
Ma'am, will ice cream period happen today?
Yes, it will happen today. It will happen today. Chalo. Everybody, love you. Love you, kids. You all are really smart. You just have to start showing that smartness by obeying. Okay, obedience जरूरी है. At your age, it is very important. अब तुमसे तो छोटे बच्चों से ज्यादा, तुमसे तो थोड़ा ज्यादा उम्मीद रहेगा ना, as compared to younger kids. चलो. Come on. Go take a couple of minutes break and come back. We have to do our 5S principle. Sieto, Siro, Shisetsu, Shitsuke. चलो भागो, take a 2 minutes break.
Sieto, Shikesu, Shitsuke.
अरे वाह मेरे Japanese friend. आजा चलो. Go quickly.
Sieto, Shikesu, Shitsuke.
Go wash your eyes and come back. Go quickly.